Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corners, Katrina. So remember I told you Family Dollar is closing? Well, yeah, it is. So I went in and to see what they had. Right now they are at 30% off. So I bought the things that I knew will be gone at 70 and 90% off and so on and so forth. And then there were a few things I did want to get, but they're still too pricey. So I didn't get anything that was over $7, y'all, because I'm just not. And that was $7 before the 30%. So let me just run through real quick what I did get. All right, so, and I don't have my receipt, so they're 30% off. I picked up the Hot Wheels, and these will go in a boy's basket. Alright, and then I got some more Hot Wheels. These are the cars. And some of these things were already on sale. So I picked those up because they were already on sale. These Hot Wheel tracks were $1. So they were 70 cents each, because they were 30% off. All right, and I picked up 4 of those. And these are for little boy concepts. All right, I also picked up the Dino Valley dinosaur head. All right, and this will go in my second dino basket. And they only had one of those. That's why I only have one. Otherwise, I would have got more than that, because those were $5.50, I believe, and then 30% off of that. All right, they had one LOL surprise glitter diary. All right, and if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been using these in concepts, and I will continue to use those. All right, and then we got another Hot Wheel car. You got the tracks, you got to have cars to go with them. Okay, I picked up all the dollar flowers they had, but I'm not going to go through all of those dollar flowers they had. I also picked up candy, all right, because they had the pot of gold Hershey's. And they only had 5 of these, so I picked up all of them. All right, and I checked the expiration dates on them. And these expire 5/5/26. All right, you can see that right there. All right, so I picked up 5 of those because that is all they had. All right, I also picked up the smaller boxes of the M&Ms and Junior Mints. All right, and these are for some flat concepts that I'll be doing. All right, and then we got our little Hershey Kisses to go in some other flat concepts with my Hershey socks. Okay. We got the slingshots that were $1. These go with the Hot Wheel tracks. All right, and they're just called slingshots. All right, and they're just called the slingshots. They go with the Hot Wheel tracks. And they were $1, so they were 30% off of $1. All right, and then we got in here the Mega Grow Egg. These are the dino eggs that the kids can place in water to hatch. And they'll go with the dinosaurs there. I got 3 of those. And 6 of the slingshots. Okay. All right, they also have, yay, the chocolates. These are the premium chocolates. And they were 30% off. They do not expire until, hang on, because I read it. I check the expirations on everything, candy-wise, before I buy it. And the expiration on these was, hang on, let me find it again, y'all. 5/5/26. All right, so it is in that black box right there. All right, and these are the premium chocolates. I picked up 4 of those. All right, and then they had some LOL sunglasses. They only had 2 of them, so I picked up both of those. And these were already on sale. They were $1.97 on sale. And then it was an additional 30% off that sales price. So I picked those up. All right, I picked up some more Hot Wheel items. All right, and this is the Blaze Blast Hot Wheel City. All right, and then we got the Hot Wheels Flame Jumper. And then I picked up these boards so that I can do price lists on my tables. I'm going to use Jenga blocks to make these stand up. And I will show you how to do that so that you can have pricing on your tables. All right, then they had these. Of course, you know I went over there to the wall art. All right. All right. These were $1.10 because they were already on sale. So when the final price of these rang up was $1.10. So I got that one. 2 of those. I thought these were so pretty. And then I got this one, which is going to go in one of my coffee baskets. I think that is so cute. They only had 1 of those, so I picked it up. It was also on sale. All right, and then they only had 1 of these, which this is just absolutely beautiful. Hang on, y'all. All right, and this is Amazing Grace. Isn't that beautiful? Got that on sale. All right. Hang on one second, y'all. Okay. They have the Family Chef mug set. All right, this was ringing up for $5, and it was an additional 30% off of that. And then I found the plate set to go with it. 4 dinner plates. All right, and this was also ringing up $5, so it was 30% off of that. So I picked those up, and these are just plain Jane. They don't have any designs on them, and I'm okay with that. It was the last set they had. It was the only ones they had left. So that is part of the reason why I went ahead and picked up things at 30%, because a lot of stuff was going pretty fast. Is there anything back there? I think I might have a couple more bags from Family Dollar. Anyway, she's looking. All right, so pretty good 30% Family Dollar haul. Like I said, all of these items were pretty inexpensive at 30% off, because they were already inexpensive to begin with. All right, and then I found these. And these were also on sale. All right, and I got the trolls so I can finish my troll baskets. I picked up 4 of those. I got these succulents for less than $1, y'all. I thought these were really cute. These are the succulent shaped pots. I picked up 2 of them. That was all they had. And then I picked up a Colorways wireless speaker desk lamp. All right, and they had maybe 4 or 5 of these, but I just wanted one for me to put over here on my desk. So I do like this. It's a wireless speaker, has 3 brightness modes for the light, a smartphone dock, and a built-in pen holder. And I may go back and get some more of these, but these were $10, so and it was 30% off that, so I paid $7 for this. And I really think I'm keeping it for me. So got a pretty good deal on all of these items. Let's see. Those little hanging blackboards that I told you I'm going to be putting stands on them so they can stand up were 25 cents each. The pictures were $3.50, except for those 3 that were $1.10. The Valley Bucket Dino Head was $7, and it was the most expensive thing I got. So, and that was before the discount. So, these were the things that I picked up so that I could finish these concepts up by next weekend, because when they go 90% off, the pickings were slim anyway, because people are actually buying this stuff at 30% off. And this is why I said every haul is not everybody's haul, because the items that I picked up were not a whole lot of them left. So I went ahead and got them so I'd have them for my concepts, especially the troll items and some of the other items that I'm going to use as backers, and the candy, especially the candy, because that candy will go real fast, y'all. A pot of gold, come on. And because they don't expire till 2026, I can definitely use those at Valentine's if they don't sell at Christmas. Now, I'm pretty sure they'll sell at Christmas, but we'll see what happens. And I can flip those over. Now, I was going to get the little bags of cookies. you know, the cookie mix, like the Betty Crocker cookie mix. And every single one of those were already expired. Some of them expired in May of this year. Some of them had dates in them for 2023, y'all. So I left them right there in the store. And these people behind me had a buggy full of them, you know, and she was telling me, oh, I got all these cookies. And she said, this is the great time of year for it. And I looked at her and I said, yeah, I left all those cookies because they're expired. You know, well, then her husband started looking at the expirations on them. And he was like, man, yeah, all of these are expired. This is May 2024. This one's 2023. I was like, yeah, that's why I left them there. And I said, I mean, you know, if you're going to use them for personal use and you're not scared to take that risk, then, you know, that's on you. I'm not buying those. So I left those there. But, you know, those cookie mixes, we can get those at any time. $1 at Dollar General, maybe. Might be a little bit more than that. We can get them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You know, so I wasn't pressed for those. But a lot of stuff that they did still have, I'm going to wait and see if they still have it at 90%. All right, when it goes to 90%. So I posted those at the beginning of this video. You'll see the store closing and the dates that they are actually going to change their percentages. Monday they go 50%, and then from there, like I said, though, people are buying all this stuff at 30% because there's a lot of empty shelves in there. They had a lot of crates in there. So when I go back at 90%, if those crates are still there, I'll dig through those and see what's in them and see what we can pull out of there at 90%, y'all. In the meantime, in between time, we're gonna go with this 30% that I did pick up today, because like I said, the most expensive thing I got was $7. Everything else was under that, you know, so I'm not mad about it. It's definitely a good price, good deal, and 30% doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot when you're taking it off $1. 70 cents for an item. We're talking less than Dollar Tree. Now I'm not discounting Dollar Tree because y'all know I shop there too. But I will be going back to the Family Dollar to see what else we can find that's on sale. I'm going to be busting out some baskets today. I was going to do this on live, but it's faster to just do this video. Because y'all know I have to stop and say, hey to everybody, because I can't not speak to y'all. That bothers me. So I have to say hi to everybody. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you share this video out so that we can get our numbers up. In the meantime, in between time, you all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.